All right, so the F18. Okay, gotta be careful here first. Let me concentrate first. Past this cluster of scooters. The F18 suspension is the star of the show here. I just thought, let me take this wheel out for a quick ride. Let's see. And of course, because the last wheel that I rode is the Lynx S. So the comparison, of course, is just natural for me to just compare the two. This is the same environment that I tested the Lynx S in, so it's a great comparison between the two. Now, people will tell you that the F18 is better value. I mean, even the Lynx S price is not that bad, but the price of the F18 is just ridiculously good for what you get. Motor is 5,000 watts motor, peaks at 20,000, but according to KingSong, how they measure that, I don't know, but I guess you just have to take their word for it. And the suspension, especially in this kind of environment where you have a lot of stop and go and people coming from your left to your right, there's traffic, there's people stepping in, the suspension just needs to work. And this suspension has been fantastic. I would go as far as to say this suspension is better than a Lynx S suspension. As in you can set it in more ways to suit you or closer to your needs. This is my environment. And in my environment, you need to be able to accelerate out of sticky situations and stop as quickly as possible while having a great suspension. Go over the curb a little bit. Whoa. Go. Whoa. All right, so this is that was a tight squeeze. Oh yeah, and the motor is just smooth. Just the way it delivers the power is very linear. As in with the Lynx S. Of course, once you get going, 10 miles an hour and 15 miles an hour, and then the torque kicks in, and you're like, wow, okay, I see why they've slapped on a C42 motor. And listen, when it comes to power and torque, the Lynx has it. Top end definitely has it. But with this one, it's just predictable. It's smooth. The suspension it's got four suspension, D&M suspension. This is where you test the agility of a wheel. I mean, this wheel is not light, but somehow it carries its weight really nicely, really well. So you can see what I have to navigate through. And I need to be ready to stop when I need to stop, or else I'm going to hit someone and they're going to hit somebody else as well. And then it becomes like a domino effect. I mean, I can try to sit down, but I feel more comfortable standing up because I can react to situations a lot faster. Oh yeah, sheesh. It's so smooth. And the price, again, I could talk about the price. Check out the price in the link below. And depending on what region you're in, of course. If you are in the US, we've got you. Even in Australia now, we've got you. So we have erise.au and we can deliver to Australia. Yeah, I think everybody should experience what I'm experiencing. The F18 has a good chance, look at that, of being one of the best 20-inch wheel, comparing it against the Lynx S, because the Lynx S is probably the best 20-inch do it all. Of course, there's a P6, so you can't forget that's also 20-inch. Well, I'm talking about a do it all wheel where it's got speed, sufficient speed anyway. Suspension is there, you could take it road, take it off road, you could do jumps. And this F18, I've been seeing videos that this F18 has been doing fantastically well off-roading, even compared to the Lynx S. In some cases, beating the Lynx S in off-road racing because the suspension is one of the best. I'm going to try to sit down. Oh, I don't know. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to risk it. I cannot react quick enough. They've got They've got two wheels and they've got mechanical braking. I don't. I need to put all my weight backwards so I can stop. I mean, I can do that when I'm sitting down as well. I just feel more comfortable. And plus, I'm still getting used to the wheel. Even though I think I've acclimatized to this wheel a little bit quicker than the Lynx S. But of course, once you get used to the Lynx S, that torque gets you all the time. Looks wise, I mean, the wheel is not bad. I mean, the F18 is not a bad looking wheel. I can see the little carbon fiber kind of handle over here. I don't know. You know, looks is subjective anyway. I think it's a little bit tacky. It's like you have all the plastic and then you have carbon fiber. And you think, ah, come on, mate, just make it black. We were actually thinking about making a pedal for the F18, but we're not quite sure if it will sell. We thought, okay, let's just see. Let's see first. But judging by the way the way I feel about this wheel, I think this wheel's gonna sell loads. Not just because it's a good wheel, but also because of the price. Oh, there's someone behind me. I need to be careful. There we go. From what I remember, when this wheel first came out, it came out to a lukewarm reception. And I think over the past month or so, or months rather, or so, they've improved it. You know, from speaking to people, they've definitely listened to what the community wants, and that is shown through what I'm feeling right now. Now, in terms of acceleration and pedal feel, one thing or one category that I can say the F18 has everybody beat. I think I'm gonna go right. I want to enjoy. I want to accelerate a little bit. I want to sit down. I think the pedal feel. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, this place looks familiar. Yeah, the F18 pedal feel is, and I know this is going to be quite controversial, but this is how I feel, is the best. Like when I try soft mode on other manufacturer, it just feels like jelly, you know. It's like, whereas with this one, I've softened up a little bit, and when I accelerate, yeah, the pedal goes a little bit soft, and then it levels up again. It just doesn't remain soft. I'm trying to figure out where I am. I think I know where I am. Pedal feel is just so consistent. The power delivery is also so linear. If they can just put a C42 motor on this wheel, for the F18 Pro. All right, so, okay, I think I know where I am. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna record for a little bit more. All right, I'm gonna record for a little bit more, and then I will need to go to where my destination is and concentrate a little bit more. The traffic light there is 2, 1. Okay, so they cannot cross, so I think we can cross now. So we're green, but this car is still trying to block me. I need to go. Come on, I know you got a nice car, but be nice to people like us, Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey. All right, excuse me. There's a car on my left. I need to squeeze through. Where's the power? Here we go. Here's the power. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. See, cars like this, you don't know what they want to do. Do you want to go to the left? Do you want to go to the right? What do you want to do? Okay. Okay. All right, guys. I'm going to have to cut this video now. Thank you for taking a ride with me. Thank you for riding with E-Rides. And until next time, see ya. Bye.